Hello student. In this lecture we want to study the first law of thermodynamics. The number of statements were given by the different scientists जैसा Joule, Helmholtz, Classic, Mayer and the collected form called a first law of thermodynamics. The different statements, that is the first, energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted into one form to another form. Second, that is the total energy of universe remain constant. Total energy of universe remain constant. That is the total energy of system and surrounding remain constant when system going from initial state to final state. Third, total energy of isolated system remain constant. Total energy of isolated system remain constant. And again one more, that is when one form of energy disappear, then the equal amount of another form of energy make it appearance. Equal amount of another form of energy make it appearance. और उसके बाद में it is impossible to obtain a work from machine. It is impossible to obtain a work from machine without consuming energy. Such machine is called a perpetual machine. Perpetual machine, that is a machine from which the work is obtained without consuming energy, but no machine is perpetual. Somewhat amount of energy is consumed during the work. So these are the different forms of different statements of a first law of thermodynamics, and these are collectively called a first law of thermodynamics. So very simple, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted into one form to another form. Secondly, total energy of universe remain constant. Third, total energy of a isolated system remain constant. When one form of energy disappear, an equal amount of another form of energy make it appearance. Or it is impossible to obtain a work from machine without consuming energy, and such machine is called a perpetual machine. So what I mean by perpetual machine? A machine from which work is obtained without consuming energy, but no machine is perpetual. ऐसी कोई मशीन नहीं है कि जिसमें एनर्जी दिए बगैर अपने को वर्क मिलेगा. तो these are the statements of a first law thermodynamic. Now, so here according to the Einstein equation, that is E equal to mc square. E यानी energy, m यानी mass और c यानी velocity of light. It is a constant, so E is directly proportional to the mass. तो इसका मतलब the modified form given by the scientist, that is the modified form of a first law. क्या आएगा फिर modified form, that is the total energy as well as mass of the universe remain constant, so it is called a law of conservation of energy and mass. तो फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स को अपन ये भी बोल सकते हैं, हियर टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ यूनिवर्स रिमेन कांस्टेंट, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ए लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी. लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द आइंस्टाइन इक्वेशन, E is directly proportional to the mass. Energy is directly proportional to the mass. So what is the modified form? That is the total energy as well as mass of universe remain constant. So the modified form is called a law of conservation of energy and mass. Law of conservation of energy and mass. तो ये हो गया अबाउट स्टेटमेंट. नाउ एक्सप्रेशन. अब एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. लेट Q be the amount of heat is supplied to the system. Let Q be the amount of heat is supplied to the system. That is Q be the amount of heat is absorbed by the system. Now let W be the work done on the system. W is the work done on the system, and due to this there is a increase in internal energy, delta U be the increase in internal energy. So according to first law, total energy of a system and surrounding remain constant when system going from initial state to final state. Then what happen here? That is the delta U equal to sum of Q plus W. This is the formulation या फिर expression of a first law, that is the increase in internal energy is equal to the sum of heat is supplied to the system and work done on the system. तो ये होगा एक फॉर्म. दूसरा similarly now Q be the heat is supplied to the system and W be the work done by the system. W be the work done by the system अगर होगा, and again delta U be the increase in internal energy, then the first law of thermodynamics can also be written as delta U equal to Q minus W. The first law of thermodynamics can also be written as delta equal to Q minus W. तो यहाँ पर W का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? Work done by the system. So these are the two different equations of a first law of thermodynamics. Clear? Okay.